Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here on Normanton Avenue in Salford to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property coming to the market chain free, which has also undergone a full renovation by the current owner. So as you can see from outside, we had a large driveway to the front for off-road parking, and then from our entrance hallway we've got our first reception room here, which could be used as a living room or as a dining room. Now this flows nicely into our brand new modern fitted kitchen. As you can see here, never been used and is in very good condition. Again, tastefully decorated throughout, all whitewashed. Got a storage cupboard here which houses the boiler. And then the back door provides access to our low maintenance rear garden, which also has access around the side as well, back through to the front and our driveway. So we've got a great space to the back, not overlooked. Got a mixture of turf and paving there as well. And then coming through the kitchen, we have our second reception room. So both reception rooms access through the hallway and through the kitchen, so it either could be used as a lounge or a dining room or a playroom. And then back through to the hallway, we've got a great storage space here. Could be used as a cloakroom. And then going up the stairs, we've got 3 generous sized bedrooms and a brand new modern fitted bathroom. So starting at the front of the property, our main bedroom with a storage cupboard there, and then got a great space in there, as you can see, double bedroom to the front. And then our second bedroom at the back of the property, again a very generous size, all whitewashed, new woodwork throughout, brand new carpets and blinds and light fittings as well. So this is our third bedroom, again a very generous size. We are situated on Normanton Avenue in Salford, which is within walking distance to Salford Royal Hospital. Fantastic transport links, amenities and local schools as well. So to complete the property is this fantastic modern 3-piece bathroom suite. Again, coming to the market chain free, all renovated and in a fantastic popular residential area. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please give our office a call on 061 707 4900.